Hello, this is a very quick update about my X3650 Model 5. What I've done is, this came originally with just a poverty spec blank for the DVD, so I managed to pick up a DVD drive for about £12, brand new, and basically this comes with a slimline drive, and it comes with 2 cables, and basically allows you to plug into the front of the motherboard just down there, and also if you wanted to you can plug it into the back. So now I've got DVD capability there. Also I've bought the Lenovo Thermal Solution Kit, they call it. The idea is that if you've got the ML2 adapters on the 5462, you only have to have it for one particular, I think it's the Broadcom ML2 adapter, so it improves airflow. Whereas the ATA this kit, which is basically just a transparent bracket to improve airflow, is recommended for all ML2 adapters. As you can see, it fits in quite snugly right there. Just bought myself a IBM 10 gig Ethernet adapter, which I'm hoping it's going to be low profile, so I can fit it in there, all being well, which means that this can be connected up to the switch and give you 10 gigabit capabilities. Anyway, thank you for watching.